Well, the CDC reports at least 17% of Alabamians living with HIV don't know they have it, which means they're not getting the care they need and are more likely to spread the infection. Well, this National HIV Testing Day, one Alabama nonprofit wants to help change that statistic.
WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn is live and local tonight at a free testing site. Aaron, health experts say that it's important for everyone to know their status.
Yes, that is right. There are more than 2,600 people who are living with AIDS in Birmingham right now, and that's according to AIDS Alabama. But you know, there's an organization here in Birmingham that is hoping to change that. So they're offering free testing here today. So we're gonna get swabbed live on air. Are you ready to do that? Okay. And it's just that easy. It only takes 20 minutes to get your results, so you can walk away knowing your status.
Hello, how are you? It's National HIV Testing today.
A rise in HIV cases across Alabama has healthcare experts like Ted Greer with Alabama Regional Medical Services making sure every person knows their status.
I would take it very seriously. People are losing their lives, unfortunately. Even though medicines have gotten better, treatment is better.
And Greer feels that starts with getting tested.
You've been with a previous partner, that person could have infected you without you knowing. You said, well, I only have one monogamous relationship. Well, that one could also make you positive.
And that's why Cleo Lumpkin wanted to make sure he got swabbed today.
I had a partner, and I was confident that she wasn't messing around, but you never can tell.
AIDS Alabama says the number of people living with HIV in Birmingham is up 10% from this time last year. ARMS is part of a federal initiative offering resources to at-risk communities on National HIV Testing Day.
We have a new generation since the 80s, and they haven't been educated. And so the idea is that's why we're pushing the education piece.
And Lumpkin says he saw how living with HIV affected a close friend of his when he was in his early 20s and is thankful the virus is not a death sentence like it was in the past.
You just try to be there for your friends, your closest friends you can, and you know, you don't have to be scared of them or anything, but being so close and everything, we just want to be there for them as much as we can and try not to let that happen to somebody else.
Now, ARMS is offering testing here in the Walgreens parking lot near Princeton Baptist Hospital until 5:30, so you only have a few more minutes to get down here before they wrap up for the day. But if you can't make it, then they have 4 locations throughout Birmingham that you can get tested at every day. Live in Birmingham, Aaron Llewellyn, WVTM 13.